Imagine waking up in a new country every month, working from a beachside cafe, or exploring a foreign city, all while earning money remotely. The freedom of becoming a digital nomad is one of the most desirable lifestyles today. But how can you turn this dream into reality in just 90 days? Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to becoming a digital nomad, living and working anywhere in the world in just 3 months. Welcome to 90 Days Better, the channel that explores transformative habits for personal growth and self-improvement. Today, we'll discuss in great detail the entire process of transforming your professional life by working and earning money remotely. Keep an eye out through the video for specific tips you'll hardly find anywhere else, and without further ado, let's begin. The digital nomad lifestyle is more than just a trend, it's a revolution. With the rise of remote work, over 35 million people are currently living as digital nomads, traveling while working from anywhere with a stable internet connection. However, making the transition is not without challenges. Many aspiring nomads struggle with finding sustainable income, obtaining visas, or managing time zones. Here's how to tackle these hurdles over the next 90 days and build a life of location independence. The first week of this journey is all about preparation and mindset. Start by evaluating your current job situation. If you're employed, check if your role can transition to remote work. For freelancers or business owners, determine which products or services can be offered entirely online. If your current position isn't flexible, explore remote job boards like We Work Remotely, Remote OK, or Flex Jobs to find suitable opportunities. Focus on skill building this first week. Whether it's digital marketing, programming, graphic design, or copywriting, there's a huge demand for these remote-friendly skills. Consider using platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or Skillshare to learn or enhance your abilities. By the second week, it's time to establish your income stream. Freelancers should begin creating profiles on sites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer to offer their services. Those with an entrepreneurial mindset can start researching e-commerce platforms like Shopify or Amazon FBA. If working for a company is your preference, refine your resume and LinkedIn profile to attract remote job offers. Weeks 3 and 4 should be focused on landing your first clients or remote role. Be persistent in applying and networking. As soon as you secure a remote position or a few paying clients, you're on your way to earning money from anywhere. Now that you've established a remote income stream, it's time to decide where to live. The beauty of being a digital nomad is the freedom to choose your ideal location, but not all destinations are created equal. Consider cost of living, internet infrastructure, and time zone compatibility with your clients or company. Popular digital nomad hotspots include places like Bali, Chiang Mai, Lisbon, and Mexico City. These locations offer affordable living, vibrant nomad communities, and reliable internet. Each country has different visa requirements, but many are now offering special digital nomad visas. Research these carefully. Thailand, for example, offers a smart visa, whereas Portugal has a dedicated D7 visa for remote workers. Weeks 5 and 6 should be spent researching and applying for the necessary permits. Ensure you have health insurance and check whether there are any tax implications in your home country. In the final stretch, it's time to put everything in motion. Focus on the logistics of becoming location independent. Sell or sublet your home, store any belongings you won't take, and downsize to the essentials. Use this time to also set up financial systems for international travel, such as acquiring travel-friendly credit cards with no foreign transaction fees, and downloading apps like TransferWise for easy currency conversions. Once you've arrived at your destination, adapt quickly to the change. Establish routines for work-life balance and productivity, while also making time to explore your new environment. Join local co-working spaces or digital nomad meetups to connect with like-minded people and build a community. By the end of this 90-day process, you'll experience a radical transformation, not just in your location, but in your mindset. You'll have gained the freedom to work from anywhere, the skills to earn a sustainable income, and the confidence to explore new cultures and places. Becoming a digital nomad offers more than just an escape from the 9-to-5 grind. It's a lifestyle that promotes personal growth, adaptability, and global experiences. You'll realize that it's not just about the destination, but the journey of building a life that aligns with your values of freedom and flexibility. Here's a pro tip. When choosing your destination, keep an eye on the growing number of countries offering digital nomad visas. For example, Barbados offers a 12-month welcome stamp, while Estonia's e-residency program allows remote workers to establish and run a business in the EU. Beyond visas, look for countries that offer good quality of life for digital nomads. Bali is renowned for its stunning landscapes and low cost of living, while Lisbon's vibrant community and warm climate make it a popular European hub. Additionally, cities like Tbilisi, Georgia, and Medellin are emerging as top spots for remote workers due to their affordability and cultural richness. Did you know that the digital nomad lifestyle is predicted to grow exponentially? Studies have shown that by the end of the decade, more than 1 billion people could be working remotely. The freedom to work and travel has sparked a global shift in how we view the workplace, leading to new opportunities for remote collaboration and international networking. In just 90 days, you can go from a regular office job to becoming a digital nomad with the freedom to live and work anywhere in the world. By following this roadmap of building a remote income, choosing the right destination, and handling the logistics, you're set up for long-term success. Don't forget, the digital nomad lifestyle is about more than just travel. It's about building a life of freedom and flexibility. If this video inspired you to take the leap and start your digital nomad journey, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with your thoughts. From health and wellness to fitness and finance, chances are we have something just for you. After all, you could be only one video away from changing your life for the better. Check out the links in the description for additional resources to help you on your path to location independence. And until next time, stay motivated and keep growing.